there, curiosity seekers. Welcome back to Stay Curious. Today we have a mind-blowing topic for you: tiny creatures called tardigrades, also known as water bears. These fascinating little beings are some of the most resilient creatures on Earth, and their story is extraordinary. Tardigrades are microscopic animals, usually measuring less than 1 millimeter long. That's smaller than a grain of sand. Despite their tiny size, they are incredibly complex and have captured the imagination of scientists and enthusiasts alike. They were first discovered in 1773 by a German zoologist who described them as little water bears because of their bear-like appearance. One of the most astonishing facts about tardigrades is their ability to survive in outer space. Yes, you heard that right. These tiny animals can endure the vacuum of space, extreme radiation, and the freezing temperatures that would be fatal to most other forms of life. This remarkable feat was first demonstrated in 2007 when scientists sent tardigrades on a mission aboard the European Space Agency's Photon M3 spacecraft. Tardigrades look like little bears. Their bodies are divided into segments, each with a pair of legs ending in tiny claws. This unique structure allows them to move with a slow, lumbering gait, much like a bear. But don't let their cute appearance fool you. These creatures are tough as nails. Tardigrades can live in the hottest deserts, the coldest mountains, and even in boiling water. They have been found in some of the most extreme environments on Earth, from the deep sea to the icy peaks of the Himalayas. Their ability to withstand such harsh conditions is due to a process called cryptobiosis, where they enter a state of suspended animation. When faced with extreme conditions, tardigrades can go without food or water for years by curling up into a tiny ball. In this state, they lose almost all of their water content and their metabolic processes come to a near halt. This allows them to survive in a dormant state until conditions improve. It's like hitting the pause button on life. To learn about how tardigrades can survive in space, scientists sent them on a mission to see what would happen. During their time in space, the tardigrades were exposed to the vacuum and radiation of outer space, conditions that are lethal to most other organisms. Remarkably, many of them survived the journey and were able to revive once they returned to Earth. They went into their lifeless state and came back to life when they returned to Earth. This incredible ability to withstand the harsh conditions of space has made tardigrades a subject of intense scientific study. Researchers are keen to understand the mechanisms behind their resilience, as it could have profound implications for space travel and the search for life beyond our planet. Scientists are studying them to understand how they survive extreme conditions. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll use what we learn from tardigrades to travel to Mars. The insights gained from studying these tiny creatures could help us develop new technologies to protect astronauts from the rigors of space travel and even aid in the colonization of other planets. Tardigrades are found in a wide range of habitats, from the deep sea to the highest mountains. They thrive in mosses, lichens, leaf litter, and soil. Their ability to adapt to such diverse environments is a testament to their incredible resilience. Under a microscope, tardigrades reveal their fascinating structure. They molt periodically, and their bodies are equipped with sensory bristles and eye spots that help them navigate their microscopic world. Tardigrades feed by piercing plant cells, algae, and small invertebrates, and then sucking out the contents. Their diet varies depending on their habitat, but their feeding mechanism is quite efficient for their size. The ability of these amazing creatures to survive extreme environments is due to their unique proteins and DNA repair mechanisms. They produce a special protein which protects their DNA from damage caused by radiation. This discovery has significant implications for biotechnology and medicine. Tardigrades are also being studied for their potential in biotechnology. Their resilience could lead to the development of new materials and drugs that can withstand extreme conditions. Additionally, understanding their DNA repair mechanisms could advance our knowledge of aging and cancer. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey into the world of tardigrades. The world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. And who knows what other incredible creatures are out there just waiting to be found. Until next time, keep exploring the amazing world of science and stay curious.